everybody, hope all are doing good. Today let's see how to make pizza base. Without an oven there's no proofing time. So let's get started. You'll need 1 cup of maida, half a cup of yogurt, baking powder half a teaspoon, baking soda half a teaspoon, and salt as per your taste. 1 cup of maida will make around 2 pizza base. Let's add salt, baking powder and baking soda to the maida. Before adding the yogurt, give a very good mix so that everything gets incorporated well. Now let's add a yogurt. While adding yogurt, add little by little so that we don't end up in a too sticky dough. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and knead it like a chapati dough. The dough will be little sticky, not too much. Divide the dough into 2 parts and roll it about half an inch of thickness. I have taken 2 non-stick tawas here. I am preheating the tawas for 5 minutes on high flame. Lower the flame and add the pizza base to this and close with a lid. The base will be ready within 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuff for the base. These are the ingredients that you'll need. I've taken very little amount because only there are 2 bases for us. You can increase or decrease the amount as per the amount of base you are preparing. Our base is ready. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil and saute the onions, the bell pepper and mushrooms. I'm adding some black pepper powder a tablespoon of butter. That's for an extra taste. It's optional. If you don't have butter, it's not a problem at all. Just saute for about 5 minutes. You need not overcook it. Apply some butter on the base. Then goes the tomato sauce. Some mayonnaise. Again, mayonnaise is of your choice. I've taken a very spicy mayonnaise. Add the sauteed vegetables. You can even replace the mushrooms with chicken. Finally, the herbs part, some oregano and kasuri methi. This will be the best after school treats for your kids or any guests. You can make it up in 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.